Dabur Invest Corporation JCIT Section 4. The charge of income tax. Okay. The option price received from the joint venture for getting a right to acquire further shares in a joint venture company, advance towards sale price of shares and capital receipts. Okay. Tribunal held that the option price received from CUIH against to sell the shares to joint venture company for getting a right to acquire further shares in a joint venture company. So they are selling some share to get right in a joint venture company. Okay. In advance towards the sale price of shares, which is a capital receipt, which requires an adjustment only at the time of transfer of shares by the assessee to CIUH while working out capital gains. Yeah. The option price received from joint venture for getting a right to acquire further shares in joint venture. So they have received money. Okay. At the same time, what happened? Tribunal held that option price received from CUH, they had received money from CUH against to sell the share of joint venture company. So for getting a right to acquire further shares in a joint venture company. So while selling the rights in this joint venture company, they're going to acquire shares in another joint venture company. What does it do? So shall price for first selling price for that capital gain. Second buying, it will be capital receipt. It will be there held there. So it should be two things should be considered as a separate transaction, not a single transaction. That's it. If we do it properly, no issue. So they have said that the capital receipt to be considered separately, two different events, not a single event. Even though you buying the same company, it's a two different events. Okay.